Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, we're back in the garage working on the WRX, finally. This is gonna be an interesting video. If you come right around here, I have the worst tires. We've been having issues like with test driving, and not like the car's like running okay, everything, but we're afraid to actually push it because these things are shredding. Like, we'll show B-roll of the insides, like they're fraying on the inside. They're over a decade old. Like these are the worst tires I've ever owned. So we're gonna switch out these tires. They're already attached to some new wheels, but it's us, you know? So before we can have the fun, you know, even though these tires are a maintenance thing, before we can have the fun that we want to have, we have to do some proper maintenance. Brake pads and rotors, I believe. Now, are we gonna show you the pattern of the wheels, all the juicy goodness, you know, all that YouTube hotness? Yeah. We're gonna feed you, baby bird, but just gotta be patient. Maintenance first. It makes everything that comes after it so much sweeter. We're gonna have a little bit of fun today, get this thing stopping properly, and maybe even looking a little better. So let's get to it. Let's take a look at what I got. These are off Amazon, the R1 Concepts. I've seen this brand while I was looking for stuff for the BMW, and you know, I was very curious about them. They kind of have, like, you can get bare bones ones and then step it up, zinc coated, which these are, and then, you know, like they just have different applications for different price ranges. And I settled on these. The main reason why is because they look kind of cool. This is kind of falls into the category of car jewelry, you know, like they say, just get the flat rotors. You know, you're not getting a ton of, you know, of performance improvement with the drilled and slotted, but they look cool. They were just a couple bucks more, and that's what I want to see behind my new wheels. So that's kind of why I went in this direction. Moving on to brake lines. I did not go stainless steel. I kind of just went with some OE replacements, and my thought process behind that is that, you know, as cool as stainless steel lines are, they're like 3 times the price. And these brake lines that are on the car, 216,000 miles, they're old, they're worn out, they're squishy, you know? So if just replacing these lines with newer lines is gonna give me the vast majority of this of the performance back, you know, and I don't really plan on like tracking this car. You know, I really just want it to be a very strong, fun daily, and I think that just going with these lines is going to accomplish that. So, agree, disagree, let me know. But that's kind of my thought process behind this stuff. These WRXs are kind of under braked as is, but like it should be for the money and for what I'm doing, it should hit the mark. So we're gonna get these on, get these nasty wheels off, and go from there. But let's tease you guys a little bit more, because we have the new wheels in the car. Boom, boom. Yeah. I'll give you a little hint. Come on in.
They're round.
They're round. They're in the bag. See what you can see through here. Anything shining through? Any clues, hints? That's what you get. We'll get these out. Oh, I don't have the whatchamacallit on this. We'll get these out. Oh, and they're going on after. But stay tuned. This is what I'm talking about.
Got the Italian edition. The spaghetti. Oh my God.
And you see, like, all 4 tires have this spot on them. This is the dirt spot. Like, this car sat for almost 5 years on these tires. So horrible flat spots. The more you drive it, the more it's awful. This is a nightmare. Like, yeah, don't drive on stuff like this. Even though it has tread left, no, these things are beyond toast. I don't want to see these anymore.
It's off.
There we go.
Very gently.
Very gently. I'm buttoning back up this first one right now, and it was much more straightforward than I thought it was. Like it really, you know, you just unplug it. Yes, it's gonna drip some. You catch as much as you can. Try not to ruin your buddy's garage floor. And then you just screw the other one back in, and we still have to bleed the brakes.
Breed
We
the
got
brakes.
to breed them, take them straight to Thailand. No, I can't.
What?
Nothing. I forgot we weren't using the other clip. I lost a wrench. That's it. I haven't moved from this spot. I've literally not stood up since we started this, and somehow I'm losing tools. They have to be in this radius, and for some reason I cannot hang on to stuff. Where is?
I think he needs this.
How did it get there?
I don't know.
Time to start snugging some stuff down. But look at this pretty thing. It just looks better. This looks cooler. I'm very excited to have these on. We are moving on to the next one, but one corner done. It's not too bad. This has been one of the more relaxing days as of late with the Subaru in general. But since we're going to the next one, we'll start speeding it up a little bit. You know, we're not going to have you sit here and watch all four wheels. So let's give you another teaser. Come on over. Let's show off a little skin, shall we? Let's just show off a little bit of tires and some of that color. See what we're dealing with here. And these are the Advent flavors. These are Yokohama tires, which I'm really excited about. I actually wanted this exact set for the BMW. And I was so close to pulling the trigger so many times. And I was just like, it's not worth it, not gonna do it, blah, blah. The 18s were fine. And I found this set off of a GR86. The same the same wheel style and tires that I wanted. So I'm pumped. But yeah, we'll do some more wheels and then we'll show them off. We'll show them off. A little bit more teasing. Okay. Coming out anyway. Oh. Pretty. Onto the back.
Oh man. It's like using NASCAR.
He on X Games mode.
Oh my god.
So we out here doing brakes, chilling out, not listening to copyrighted music.
Nope. The struggles
The struggles.
to give you cheap entertainment.
Yes.
We can't listen to music.
Boop. A little single puck.
Rear disc pads.
Oh, never mind. I thought these were okay. They're a little.
My brakes feel a little weird.
They feel a little soft.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think it ground down the
Yeah,
wear sensor.
wear sensor was even gone. Okay.
Yeah, it's crooked too, so it's wearing.
Minor details.
If you're looking for inspiration to just start tackling jobs like this, brakes are actually an awesome place to start. They seem super sketch because you're like, this is the stuff I don't want to mess up because if my car doesn't stop, I'm going to have a bad time. And that's true, but they're very straightforward. Burn them in properly. Burn in? What's it called? Or you glaze them? What's that? What do they call that? What's that?
Break them in.
That?
Set them.
It's this Instagram brain, man. I'm losing my vocabulary. Get off the phones. Go outside. Do stuff like this. Voila. Dang. Dirty. Are these the original rotors?
Maybe the original pads.
Original pads?
What is this? Oh my god.
These things have been forgotten.
I think so.
Look at all that. That's crazy.
Might be original. Oh,
Oh.
and you got cancer.
No, not like this.
Too late.
It's too late. You did it.
The end.
And if you look here, this is the last brake. We got all 4 on. Not too shabby. So since we finished this side, we're actually gonna go back over here and do some bleeding. This is my first time bleeding. We're gonna do 2-man it. So I'm gonna be in the car, hit these nips right here. He's gonna walk me through the process, get everything bled, and then as we bleed it, we're gonna get the new wheels on. Moment of truth. What did I get? And they're a little dirty.
Wow.
I know, right? And Inke TS5s. Dude, the bronze is what jumps out to me the most. I love these 5-spoke wheels. They're pretty sporty. I've never owned Yokohama street tires. I had Yokohamas on the FJ. Favorite tire ever, so I'm super excited to try a Yokohama street tire. I just like them. Can't wait to get them on there.
And they're a 235/40 R17.
Yes, they're 17s coming up 1 inch from the stock 16s that are on
And
the
what's
car
the
right
offset
now.
on these?
And the offset is 40, I believe. I think they're plus 40s. No, they're 45s. So they're pretty close to the stock offset, but they are wider. So they should come out just a little bit. I'm not sure, but we're going to get them on and we're going to see. But they should be within spec. Yeah, the GR86 has the same 5x100 bolt pattern. So they should swap on pretty nicely, pretty easily. And yeah, we'll get them on, get them cleaned up, and show you guys what they look like on the car. But I am super excited to have found these. I got the set, all 4 wheels and tires, and the tires had like 5,000 miles on them or something like that. I got these for $700 from this guy in Denver. He had sold his car and they were just taking up space in storage, and it just happened to be my dream set. Dream tires on dream wheels. So I was like, no way. So these have been in my garage for months. I cannot wait to get them on. I'm so pumped. Yeah, we're gonna keep bleeding the brakes and get these suckers on. Okay, guys, she's done. We finished this job. 1 day. We finally got a 1-day job under our belts. Oh, I think it looks so much better. The way that bronze and the silver kind of bounce off each other, I think it looks so good. I love the 5-spoke. I love the way that the drilled and slotted rotors just kind of peek out from behind. Like, to me, this severely updates the styling of the car, and we're not done yet. That was like, we still have so much to fix in the rear end and everything like that. We got dents, we got a spoiler missing, we got rust issues back on those panels. We got stuff to do, but even this little thing, like, I'm excited. I've never had all summer tires on an all-wheel drive car, so I'm really excited to get this up on test road, kind of see what that difference in grip feels like, see what these brakes feel like, having the new brakes, because they were really squishy before, and we were in the flat spots, they just made this car feel so uncomfortable. So I'm really curious, now that we've eliminated all the tire issues and are much more confident in the braking, what this car feels like and what it might show us. Do we have suspension issues that we need to now address? But we're about to find out. So let's get up on that mountain or the hill, I guess, and see what she's doing now. Dude, I cannot stop looking at this thing. Quick trip up the hill on these tires. They feel awesome. Like, we you can feel so much more of the road. You're not getting all those flat spots. Like, they feel super grippy. Like, you're so much more confidence. So much more confidence. Oh my gosh. Like, yeah, we can really start to rev this car out now because it feels much more stable, and that's just, oh, like I am super, super happy with it. And like, combine that with the looks and the brakes. We've just been bedding in the brakes. They feel way, way, way sharper than they did before. And I think like changing those brake lines, you know, not to stainless steel, but just doing an OE replacement on some tired lines, they're not flexing nearly as much. So you get a lot more of that pedal feel. And then again, with getting all the new fluid in there, it really, really does feel better. So this thing is like, it's getting good. Like, yeah, cons, I think it's allowing us to feel a little bit more of what's going on underneath the car, and I think we have a little bit of suspension work to do, or whether it be we're leaning tie rods right now, probably lower control arms, you know, the whole enchilada, the stuff you guys have seen us do for basically every car. But yeah, I am very happy with how well this is, how much of a difference this has made, and then with I mean, it just looks so much better. The only thing it's saying is we just need a little bit of low, you know, like just bring that gap down just a little bit. So, but yeah, let's get back in the garage, cross off some things on our board, and call it. See you back there. So, where does that leave us? We've now done brakes and pads.
Oh yeah.
And lines. And now we're over here. Wheels and tires. Boom. Done. So we've done our first, I think that's our first fun thing, right?
It felt fun.
It felt fun. We are pretty much moving on to the fun stuff. So I'm so excited. This thing looks better. This thing feels better. We're having a good time. Please like the video. Subscribe.
Move on with your life.
Move on with your life. Thanks for hanging out with us for this little bit of time. Next time you see us, hopefully moving on to getting this thing looking better. Yeah, we'll just keep on keeping on. Summer's cruising, man. It's just been going.
Yeah.
Whew. But yeah, all right, man. Until next time, thanks so much. Well, yeah, 9:41. I'm waiting for Justin right now. I think the engine's gone. Oh, that's smoke coming out. Oh.